Hey loves, today we're doing a spicy red glam look. Moisturizing with Pixie Rose Radiance Perfector and going in with this Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. We're gonna brush up our brows and apply some NYX Control Freak. Oh yeah, gotta get them hairs up, and now we are going to conceal. We are not using any foundation today. This is Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in Tan, and we're going in with Revlon Candid antioxidant concealer in 60 deep. We gotta brighten it up a little bit, y'all, so we look woke. Let's wet our beauty sponge with Pop Beauty Makeup Magnet Mist. Just blending this right on out. We're gonna set this with our Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Just pressing this into my skin. Using this Revlon Candid concealer in deep again to clean up under my brow, and they are tattooed. Okay, so today we're using this Top Beauty palette that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna use those two shades and set under my brow. This is the Morphe face palette in Deep Glam. We are starting off with this brightening shade and going in with a shade of brown a little bit darker, and then we're going to use an even darker shade of brown to smoke it on out. Snob Closet Ruby Red for our base, and then we're gonna top that with our glitter glue. And we're gonna go ahead and add our red glitter from this Miskos palette from Amazon. Yep, some Shea lashes, and we're gonna apply those using our Kiss Lash Glue Liner Pen. All we have to do is just apply it like liner. It's a little stickier, but it's gonna pop right on. Watch how easy this is. Boom! Look at that, y'all see that? We're using less dramatic lashes today, not to take away from the look, and we're gonna go ahead and curl these things. Yes, and now we're gonna go in with our Shea Glam all-in-one mascara. Y'all, this thing is double wanded, you heard me? Now we're gonna do the bottom. Bam, just like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and contour. We're gonna use our black Radiance contour for our cheeks. This is Shea Glam Color Bloom in the shade Swipe Right. Going in with this NYX matte lip liner in the shade Cold Brew. Going in with this Pixie Beauty Shea Butter Lip Balm in Scarlet Sorbet. Shea Glam Press Refresh Setting Spray. Yes, make it rain, honey. We're going to use this mini handheld dryer from Amazon to dry this on up. And we done, y'all. What y'all think? Spicy red glam, you heard me?